Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at the VEVOR Retractable Hose Reel. This is the new version of the retractable hose reel, which I really like. It's got brass fittings for the top, which is really nice. They don't leak. You can see the hose is actually on right now and there's zero leaking to it. It comes with this spray nozzle that has 9 different settings to it, so it's really nice. It has 9 settings. It's also nice and orange. It matches the color of it and that sort of thing, so it's easy to find when it's on the ground. It's got 3 layers of hose in it, so it doesn't, it'll have more durability to it and everything like that, so it's really kind of nice. The other big thing that they improved on this is the hose reel will actually go in at a slower pace. So if you're worried about it, like slapping you in the face or popping up or having your kids do it, it goes in at a much slower pace, which is really kind of nice. And it's 65 feet, so this one's a 65 feet hose reel. And it can stop at any spot that you want. I like that it's wall mountable and it has a 180-degree swivel. So if you're doing something in the backyard, I can swivel it to the backyard. If I'm cleaning the cars in the driveway, I can swivel it to the front yard. So it's really nice for that. And the other thing is it's got a nice long kind of base hose to it that connects to the hose. So, it's got a nice long hose to it as well. And it has this nice handle. If you ever want to take it on and off, you can do that. It's really easy to do. So obviously you can pull it out to any length that you need, which is really kind of a nice feature. And then when you're done, you just give it a slight pull and it'll start going in at a nice slow pace until it hits the stop spot that it has. So that's really it. I mean, this is the VEVOR. It's a retractable hose reel. It's got 65 feet. It's got brass fittings. It's got a triple insulated hose, so it's really good. The PSI pressure on it's fantastic. It actually has like a kick to it. So obviously it depends on your pressure of your house, but it has really good pressure to it and that sort of thing. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. I will put a link in the description below. So if you guys are looking for a retractable hose reel, you can get this on Amazon. We'll put the Amazon link below. And this is the new one. So it looks really cool and it's lays against the side of the house when you don't need it. I mean, that's got to be, what, 35 feet?